Hey everybody, previously we've installed the OpenBOM for Onshape add-in, and in this video we're going to take the next step and configure the settings prior to making our first bill of material. So we're going to click, we're going to make sure we're in Onshape and in an assembly tab, so we make bills of materials from assemblies, and we're going to click the OpenBOM application extension icon here. I may get a message, this is my first time in, I may get a message that says, hey, I need to authorize this application. And if I do, go ahead and authorize that. Probably you should just get that one time. And then if I'm not signed in to OpenBOM, I may be asked to sign in here. But after a couple of screens, you'll arrive at this screen here, and we're gonna visit the settings right now. In the settings, in the Onshape, in the OpenBOM Onshape settings, we're most concerned about where these properties are being sent. So I'd like you to visit each one of these properties and kind of think about them and decide where, if you want them to be in your bill of material or not. The defaults are probably going to work fine for you. We're going to bring sizes, and we're going to bring part numbers and thumbnail images, quantities and all those other things. If you have any question about what choice to make here, choose catalog. In another video, we'll take a little more time to understand that, but typically the only information that actually goes into the BOM is part number and quantity. All the rest of the information will be stored in something called the catalog, and we'll cover that in more details in another video. So you sign in, visit the settings, review this. If there's any properties here that are in Onshape, for example, if I want to bring a revision, by default, we don't bring revision. If you want revision, let's put that in the catalog and make those choices. And then once we're done, we click on Create BOM and go ahead and create a bill of material. So I hope you find that useful. In our next video, we'll spend more time on some advanced settings and another setting called categories. Thanks.